Okay, so we have the part where we get to identify what the symbols mean on the genogram. So there's a lot going on this page, but it'll help you to draw lines between your family members, as we just saw on the genogram that I created. Right. So squares are male, circles are female. This half circle, half square is non-binary. Non-binary. This is a fraternal twin here. These are identical twins. This is showing that it's identical males, but if you had two circles, that would be identical female. This is a symbol of a pregnancy. We have violence, hostility or hostile relationship. We have cutoff and estrangement, conflict, right? This is a fused relationship, physical violence or physical abuse, sexual abuse, emotional abuse. They look the same, but they're different, right? This is a squiggly line or jagged line with an arrow that's colored in. This is also a jagged line with two thick lines above it with an arrow colored in. And this is a jagged line with an open arrow, right? So that's the difference between physical, sexual, and emotional abuse. The violence one is very similar to physical abuse. The difference is you see how tightly jagged this is, and this is more of a looser jagged line. Hostility looks like physical abuse as well, but it has no arrow, right? This symbol is a symbol of psychological problems. This is a symbol of alcohol or drug abuse. This is the symbol of a secret. Remember, we saw that between my father, my fake father on the genogram, and the other woman, right? So that lets you know there. Green typically will symbolize harmony. So just a straight green line is harmony. Two lines here means that there's a close relationship. This line here with a circle means there's love between the two. It may not be romantic love, it's just love. And this is more of a romantic love with the double circles. Here we have lesbian, gay, bisexual, queer, asexual, and non-binary. Male transgender, female transgender. It's important to look at these symbols. They look similar, but they're very different. They're very different, right? You just have to notice this is a square with a triangle. This is a circle with a triangle. This is a square with a circle and a triangle. This is a circle with a square and a triangle, right? So just pay close attention to the differences. So this is your genogram legend. So use that when you do your genogram, and I look forward to seeing yours when it's done. Take care.